2 must-haves we're thankful for. Number 1, don't feel like the stress of cooking. Boston Market. Online or in store, they have so many different meal options, starting at just $10 a person. You can get an entire meal like this, from the turkey to the stuffing and the pies, delivered right to your doorstep as long as you order by November 24th. You can also order ahead online and pick it up at the store. If you just need a few little things, they're open on Thanksgiving too. Amazing. Another must-have for leftovers, or if you do feel like cooking something, you gotta have Reynolds Wrap. They're non-stick foil. They've literally got you covered. Use it to line your baking dishes, tent your turkey to protect it from over-browning. It's a must-have if you are going to cook or if you have leftovers. They also have some great recipes on their website too at reynoldskitchen.com. Happy Thanksgiving!